I'm going to tell you a story. It's about how some people's ignorance not only hurts them, but it has collateral damage. This story is about Ustad, also known as Tiger 24. He lived in Ranthambore National Park in India. He lived with his mate Noor, T39, and their 2 cubs. Allegedly, he killed 4 people. All these kills were in his territory. That territory was unlawful for humans to enter. Even though with the 4th kill, they did not use forensic to prove it was Ustad, they had no other proof it was him, he was labeled a man-eater. Because of this, they moved him to Udapar Zoo, away from his family. In June of 2022, he was diagnosed with a bone tumor after being seen limping around his enclosure. They did what they could. They tried to treat him. Unfortunately, he passed away December 28th, 2022. He was a majestic, beautiful creature. Rest in peace, King.